Hello friends! Today's we're testing GMGS PRO V2 MT4 Advanced Forex Trading EA. Here I will showing the product's details. Equity requirement $1,000. Pairs Euros to GBP USD USD JPY Vadas USD CHF. Time frames M15H1. Strategy Trend-based Smart Martingale. Includes EA file plus optimized presets. Plans 1 month, 1 year lifetime, 7-day trial. Single account license for month $29. Single account license for year $149. Single account license for lifetime $199. Use 7 days demo account trial. Here you see the live account performance. (68.91% plus gain and growth). Drawdown is only 16%. Profit trade 70% win rate. Now see the trading history. Now let's see the MetaTrader for in action. Here see the inputs. Now start the backtesting without any error. Initial deposit is $1,000. Total net profit as GMGS PRO V2 is only in today's profit $226. With the drawdown is to low 8%. Get the link in description. Don't miss this incredible offer. Now visit our website Grow More Grow Safe and grab IT now. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.